founded in 1992, and we specialize in alternative fuel. So we've done propane projects, dual fuel, LPG. Right now we're really focused on doing dedicated compressed natural gas vehicles. My role is our design engineer, and I design the brackets that hold the tanks onto the vehicles, basically. But I also help with other things around here. Basically, anything that's kind of an engineering decision or something needs to at least come through my desk. But you know, more than one person will definitely look at that. We've got it down to about 30 man-hours now to convert a vehicle, and that also includes the quality control process. So on every one of these vehicles, we do a data capture. A tech will drive the vehicle and capture data, and it will be sent and reviewed by a calibration engineer to make sure that everything's dead on where it needs to be. We've switched from a batch kind of processing to a assembly line, and that's been a big jump up in our efficiency for us. So we mainly focus on fleets. We do a lot of airports. Airports want to offset their carbon footprint by making it cleaner. By offsetting the CO2 that's burned around the roads in the front. They want to offset what they're doing back there on the on the runways. So they'll burn cleaner fuels, and a lot of times it makes sense also because they have refilling stations at airports. So that's a great application for us. That's been good business. AT&T and their installer vans, they have a huge fleet, and we're very excited to be working with them. They've committed to doing 8,000 natural gas vehicles with us over the next 5 years. 1,800 vehicles a year, so 40 a week, and it's a lot of air hammering. Most of the fleets report lower maintenance costs, and also you'll find that the price of the fuel is much more steady compared to gasoline. I mean, last summer when gasoline was $4 a gallon here in Texas, business was great, and then when it dropped back to $2, which is $2 is about what CNG hovers around, for per gallon. So that's one great plus, is you can count on what the price of fuel is going to be, and it's steady. You need to have some infrastructure around. You couldn't take this vehicle anywhere you wanted. You really have to kind of plan your trip if you're going anywhere, because you will hit a dead zone where there's no filling stations. So I think that's one of the big hurdles that we're going to have to overcome here. And projects like that AT&T project that I mentioned are going to be huge in the future, because they're going to also build stations as part of that project. CNG is kind of it's a great transition fuel to move to hydrogen, because a lot of the technology is the same, high pressure, and then also you can even mix. They have a hythane fuel, which is hydrogen and natural gas, and so you could do percentages of that to kind of wean yourself off of natural gas, maybe, and move to hydrogen. And that will help get the infrastructure set up for hydrogen filling stations and that sort of thing.